If you're dealing with hair shedding, breakage, thinning, or even alopecia, this herbal spray could be the game changer your hair needs to finally grow healthy and strong. I will be using 5 different herbs to prepare the hair growth spray. Fenugreek is rich in protein. It reduces breakage, improves hair strength, and helps your strands stay moisturized. The anise helps stimulate the follicles and give your hair a beautiful natural shine. We have cloves. They help reduce shedding, strengthen your roots, and keep your scalp healthy. Rosemary boosts blood flow to your scalp, which can speed up hair growth and even help with thinning or alopecia. Hibiscus is amazing for thickening the hair, preventing dryness, and giving you that soft, fluffy feel.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to Get me out of broken hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly.